So, I mean, when people first get injured, I would say that the number one thing that is on mind, maybe not even on mind, is how can I ever contribute back to my community with an injury like this? And inherently, I believe we have a huge desire to contribute, be of meaning and significance to others. And now you're in the midst of bowel and bladder issues. And nobody in life sits at the restaurant table, talks about their bowels and bladder. It's overwhelming. And now we realize that it's the all-consuming thing. And socially, psychologically, physically, organizationally, it is just all-consuming. And so we really here try and start by letting people know the known, like everybody poops, everybody pees. We have an incredible processor. We just have to make sure that it's working well with all its inputs. So that's the premise always. And so that people don't feel like they're all alone in their challenges. There's nothing worse than feeling like you're all alone in the challenges that you're going through. Especially socially, psychologically, bowel and bladder. And I'm allowing people into the most private part of my life, and I don't know who they are. It's overwhelming. That's aside from the paralysis. Well, I think we can never go wrong with more awareness and more education. I mean, we always, from day one, need to see ourselves as educators. I mean, when I first got injured, I just was so fortunate to have so many people that cared and that were there for me. And you know, some real, I mean, I would have to rent BC Place to thank all the people that have just made a difference in my life. You know, just by, Walt, just acknowledgement, or hey, Walt, can you help me with this? I mean, so I think that when I first got injured, I thought I didn't want to go outside the hospital doors. I just felt so vulnerable. And then I realized really how incredible people are. And they were looking at me because we all want to understand things that are different. I mean, I look at anything that's different. So I realized that I'm the unknown, not them. So I realized how important it was to engage and get over the unknown so that we could get on with relationship and human being, just being a human, and understand that we all have needs. We all have deep, dark pits. Everybody goes through them. Same depth, just packaged differently. And so that's where I'm at. Education, understanding.